Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 22nd, 2022. The graph. Yeah, I'm going to give you all the price prediction in the market for the graph because you guys can see it from my last video. Man, look at the price. It completely went against what I thought price was going to do in the graph. But hey, it goes that way. I'm one of the realest YouTubers out here giving you all price predictions. And when I get them right, I show it to you. And also, when I get them wrong, I show it to you as well, because they're learning opportunities for us to become more proficient and how to become more consistently profitable, because you can see where did we go wrong in our initial assessment as to where we're looking for price to go. So to everyone who is new, to those who today's your first time clicking on the video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. You all appreciate the content that I am creating. I'm here to show you all that you can actually do this for yourself without being confused. So check this out. Now let's talk about what really happened into the market in the graph, right? Because I did a video right here on April the 26th, 2022. And the market in the graph went down. It definitely went against what my perceptions were. I was looking for the market to go up, and instead the market went down. Now, okay, cool. We understand why price went down, because there wasn't enough people trying to keep price up. But at what point? We have days on these price charts that lets us know which side of the market is actually winning between buyers and those who are sellers. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this. So after I did my video here in the graph, right here, okay, the market closed on the low end of that price bar. That was the first indication for us to know, okay, cool, that's just one day, but I'm noticing how weak the market was in the graph. That is where our wheels needs to be turning into our mind and say, okay, cool, I might need to cut this sooner than what my expectations were, because I got weakness on the first day of me creating this price prediction. I was looking for the price to go up, and instead the market has been going down. Cool. Now, it doesn't mean you need to exit out the play now, but you're a little bit more keen as to, okay, the market may not be as strong as what I thought it was. Okay, because on the next day the market in the graph went up. See, that's what I'm saying. So even though we got the weakness on the first day of me doing this price prediction, the next day price went up. So you could say, all right, cool, I live to see one more day to let price go up. Cool. But then you went on to the next day, right? April the 28th, 2 days into the price prediction, we got the same type of price bar that we got right here. It's not by coincidence. And I want you all to understand that. Look at the volume on both of those days. They came in, the volume was high on both of those days. Look at that, same price bar, almost the same amount of volume. Wow, isn't that amazing? This is indicative of sellers in the market. All that high volume pushed the graph down. Look at where we close on both of these daily price bars. We closed at the very bottom of the price bar. That means that there was a lot more selling going on both of those days. That's a massive clue that there is weakness, and that our perception of looking for price in the graph to go up is not coming to fruition. This is an idea to say, all right, cool, I might need to cut it. I might need to cut this play, because if I continue to ride on with my original assumption or presumption, I might be increasing my losses. Yes. See, this is how you're able to trade and become investors without being emotional. The market is giving us hints. Every day that it trades is dropping hints to us as to where the market is trying to go. Those are the first two hints right there. And then the third hint occurred right here, where we actually broke support. Okay, because I identified where support was in the market in the graph. And it's right there around 31 cents. And we fell below that. So we should have cut the play then. And that was around 20%. Now, would you rather have 20%, 22% loss versus to where price is right now? We'll be down 58, almost 59% today if we didn't cut it right here on the 30th. The market tells us precisely what it's trying to do. And let's say you didn't cut it right here on the 30th. The next opportunity for you to cut it would have been here on May the 5th, because this one daily price bar literally erased all of the work that the buyers took to try to lift price up in the graph. It took all that away in one day. So you should have sold it or gotten out your position on May the 5th. So the two opportunities for us to cut this play would have been April the 30th and then again on May the 5th, because we're still seeing the weakness. And as long as we see weakness, it tells us we need to cut the play. We have ample amount of opportunity to let these plays go. The market gives us that. So yeah, I didn't get this right. Okay. It went against me. It happens. But now we're better. We understand how the market was giving us hints as to when we should have cut the play. All right. So now here we are. You guys can see that the graph is trading at locations to where we haven't been since December the 18th, 2020. Yes, the graph is right back to where it was almost 2 years ago. 2 years. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? So many people hyped up this cryptocurrency, talking about the massive indication of where it's going to go into the future. And instead of it going up, look at the direction. It's been going down instead. Now, we're almost at rock bottom. I mean, the only place that we can go from where we at now is to zero, right? Is to where this protocol, this cryptocurrency is going to be worthless. That's it. I mean, we're already pretty much at rock bottom prices in the graph. What do you all think though? Come in and buy it? Should we come in and wait? What do you think? You guys can see here that the market in the graph is not bullish, but it's definitely bearish. And the market is trying to find buyers. And nobody's really interested in this cryptocurrency right now. So would you want to be a participant in this market in the graph? Or do you want to come in and wait? I want to show you all the 3-day time frame right here, because look at this 3-day price bar. Okay, let's do some investigations. Look at that one versus this one. Okay. Now, would you agree that the spread of this 3-day price bar is a lot wider? It's longer than this 3-day price bar. But the volume is almost on average about the same, a little bit less on this last completed 3-day price bar. I get it. But the price spread is a lot smaller. With all that volume and price spread didn't even really move. That lets me know that there's some buying going on into the market in the graph. Okay. Lets you know that. Now, doesn't mean that the market is going to explode, that it's going to go to 50 cents. No, it doesn't mean that. But it tells me that we're trying to find a bottom. That's what the market is trying to tell me. Okay. So look at this on the weekly. I mean, you guys can see it. There's nothing here. If you want to come in and try to nibble off of this play, yeah, you can. But again, this is not the opportunity to be massively bullish in this cryptocurrency. Look at this on the 3-hour. Okay. You guys can still tell that there's some weakness involved into the market in the graph. This is why price currently is going down. It's because the market during May the 12th could not break above this level. Okay, so that's a problem right there around 16.5 cents. Buyers have to take that area out in order for us to even think about looking for the market to go up. And as of right now, it's not ready. The market's not ready to break 16.5 cents to the upside. It's not. Okay, cool. It might not be ready right now, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to happen into the future, right? So that's an issue for those looking for the price in the graph to go up. 16.5 cents. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do though is I'm going to look for the price in the graph to go up. Okay. I'm going to look for the market to go up. Now, with that being said, I'm not looking for it to go extremely high though. I'm going to be real conservative in my price prediction, right? And we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in the graph as long as it stays above 13.5 cents. Okay, it has to. 13.5 cents for us to look for the price to go up. Now, I already established that buyers could not break price above 16.5 cents, right? So if we really wanted us to grab a little bit of profitability, we'll have to do it around 16.5 cents. Now, that's only 2.17% profitability. You guys can see it right there. For us to see the market go 16.5 cents to where price currently is. Right there. Now, outside of that, from a daily perspective, I'm going to look for it to go up here towards 18.5, all the way up here to 21 cents. So my first price target is for the graph to go to 18.5 cents. Okay. Which gives us 14% profitability. And my second area is going to be up here towards 21. Okay. That's about it. I'm not massively bullish though. So let's get that out the way. I'm not looking for the price to go exceedingly higher. And even if we were to break this ascending line to the right, as long as price does not break 13.5 cents to the downside, I'm cool with that. Okay, so let's just see how this works out. And I'm done. So go ahead and let me know, what do you all suspect the market in the graph is about to do? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, you need to trade different.